A very good afternoon, class 7th. Today we will continue our chapter 14 of exercise 14.4. In this exercise, today's our topic is simplification of expressions using laws of exponents. Laws of exponents we have discussed in the last two exercise 14.2 and 14.3. Let's again revise that, and on the basis of that laws we have to simplify the given expressions. Like if a and b any two non-zero rational numbers and m and n are whole numbers, then the exponentials forms laws are: first one, that is if we multiply the same base with different powers, so equals to same base and powers add a to the power m plus n. Same when we have to divide the same base with the different power, then the answer is base will remain same and powers get subtracted. Clear? Now the third laws is when a to the power m to whole the power n, then it is equals to a to the power m multiply with n. It can be written as like this also, a to the power mn. Right? Now the fourth is a to the power m. Now here it comes when the base is different and powers are same, then it is a multiply b whole the power m. Clear? Now the next will, when it is in division, powers are same, base are different, then it is equals to a by b to the power m. Now the sixth one is when base of or the 0 is the power of any number, then it is equals to 1. And the seventh is when the power of any number is 1, then it is equals to the number itself. Clear, students? After this, exponents can be simplified by using various laws of exponents. So for this, in exercise 14.2 we have discussed this one, whose base are same and powers are different. And in 14.3 we have discussed the exponents whose powers are same and bases are different. Now in this exercise we will study about all these laws together. Clear? Now come to the exercise 14.4. In this first question is simplify the following expressions. Like first is 4 to the power 3 multiply 4 to the power 5 divide by 4 to the power 6. First of all, see here the base is same, so it will remain as it is. Powers get add 3 plus 5 8 by 4 to the power 6. We can write it like this also, 4 to the power 8 divide by 4 to the power 6. Apply this law, 4 to the power 8 minus 6, and it is equals to 4 to the power 2. Clear? Like this you have to use the laws of exponents. Now the B part, 5 to the power 5 by 5 to the power 3 multiply with 5 to the power 2. So in this form a by b we can write it like this also, 5 to the power 5 divide by 5 to the power 3. Bracket close, multiply with 5 to the power 2. Here this is in division. Again we will use this formula. 5 minus 3, it is equals to 5 to the power 2. Multiply with 5 to the power 2. Base is same. Power is also same. Either you will write 5 multiply with 5, 25 to the power 2, or you will write 5 to the power 4. Both answers are correct. Clear? Now, come to C part. 7 the power 2, the whole power 3, divide by 7 to the power 3. So here we know about this third laws. M multiply with n. 2 3s are 6. Divide by 7 to the power 3. So our answer is 6 minus 3, 3. Right? With the help of laws it is very easy. Now the D part. 2 by 3 the power 2 multiply 3 by 2 the power 2. Right? So in this question how you will do this? So see, in this the powers are same, so we can go with this. We will take it as like this. See, here base is different but powers are same, like this. A to the power m, b to the power n. So we can apply the fourth laws here. So it is 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 2 the power 2. Because here powers is same, base is different. It can be cut and it will be 1 the power 2, which is equals to 1. Clear, students? Now come to E part. Minus 4 the power 5 divide by 4 to the power 4. Base is same, powers are different. So how you will write it? So this minus 4 will remain minus and here it comes in positive. So 4 minus 4, 5 minus 4. Minus 4 to the power 1. Clear? Now F part. 3 minus 1 to the power 0. So as we know, the power of any number is 0, then it is equals to 1. So with the same laws of exponent, 3 minus 1 to the power 0, it is equal to 1. Clear, students? This is the way to use the laws of exponents. Now, come to key 2. Simplify the following expressions. In this also, we have to solve like this. E part is 2 to the power 1 multiply with 4 to the power 1 divide by 2 to the power 2. So, see here, either we will convert this 2 to the power 1 multiply 2 to the power 2. 4 can be written like this. So base is same, right? So it will be 2 to the power 3. 2 plus 1, 3. When base is same, powers are different, we will add the powers. Divide by 2 to the power 2. So it is equals to 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 1. Clear? Like this you have to convert. Use your brain how to convert this. Normally क्या मिलेगा बच्चे आपको? अगर यहाँ पे 2 है, it means this is also the factor of 2. Now B part. Minus 3 by 5 to the power 2 whole the power 3. So we know when a to the power m bracket whole the power n, then this will be multiply. So it will be minus 3 to the 3 by 5. 2 multiply with 3. 2 3s are 6. Clear? Now come to the C part, that is bracket 4 to the power 0 divide by 4 to the power 1 multiply with 4. So we know 4 to the power 0, it means 1 divide by 4 to the power 1. So it will here remain 4 multiply with 4. We can write it like this, 1 by 4 multiply with 4, and your answer is equals to 1. Right? And your answer is equals to 1. Clear? Now the D part. Big bracket, then one more bracket, then minus 5 to the power 2, power 0 and whole the power 2. Right? So, see, it can be like this, 5 minus 5 to the power 2 multiply with 0 multiply 2. If we multiply any number with the 0, then it is equals to minus 5 to the power 0. And any number whose power is 0, then it is equals to 1. Right? Now, come to K3. Simplify and write the following expressions in the exponential form. Now these we have to write in the exponential form, and the question is 3 to the power 4 multiply 3 to the power 4 to whole the power 2 divide by 3 to the power 8 by whole the power 2. Now, so firstly we will use the laws of power, that is 2 4s are 8. 2 multiply with 4. Then see here one more power, that is of 2. So we will write that also here. Multiply 3. 4 the power 4 multiply with 2. Right? Now divide with 3 to the power 8 multiply with 2. And here we use the laws of power to power. So this is 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 3 to the power 16 multiply 4 2s are 8, 3 to the power 8. Divide by 8 2s are 16, 3 to the power 16. Clear? Now the base is same, powers are different. So what we do? We will add the powers. 3, 16 plus 8 divide by 3 to the power 16. This becomes 16 plus 8, 24. 3 to the power 24 divide by 3 to the power 16. Now again in this we will apply the laws of exponents, that is of division. When the base is same and powers are different, what we do? Remain the base same and the powers get subtracted, which is 24 minus 16, and it is equals to 3 to the power 8. Right? Clear? The answer is 3 to the power 8. After this, the next is K4. Find the value of 10 to the power 100 multiply minus 100 to the power 10. So first of all, see, this is even power and subtraction sign. So when the power is even, the subtraction sign will reduce. So this is 10 to the power 100 multiply can I write this minus 10 to the power 10 the whole power 10? I can write like this because when we multiply 10 times, हम 10 को जब multiply करेंगे the answer will be 100, right? Here we come 2. Sorry, when we multiply 10 with 2, 10 with 10, then our answer is 100, right? So हमने कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई किया 10 को? 2 times. So we will write here 2. Complete the power 10. Now it will be 10 the power 100 multiply. We know the laws of powers. So it becomes minus 10 to the power 2 multiply with 10. That is equals to 20. 100 multiply minus 10 to the power 20. Clear? So now see, the base is same 10 10. Here you can write it as positive 10 because power is even. So 10, base is same, powers are, we add the powers. So it is equals to 10 to the power 120. Clear this question? See, here I will represent this 100 also in the form of 10 to make the bases equal. So when we multiply 10 with 10, it is equals to 100. So 10 to the power 2 whole the power 10 because it is already given. Now we know the laws of power. A to the power m whole the power n. The laws is a to the power m multiply n. 2 tens are 20. 10 to the power 100 multiply 10 to the power 20. Now the base is same, powers get added and your answer is 10 to the power 120. Clear? Now the key, not key 5, S1. In this also, if 3 by 5 to the power 4 is equals to A, S1, 3 by 5 the power 4 is equals to A and 5 by 3 the power minus 5 by 3 the power 0 equals to B. We have to solve it in the form of A by B to the power 4. So first of all, see students, here the power of this is given 0. It means the value of the B is equals to 1. Right? Clear this one? And here it is mentioned 3 by 5 to the power 4. Now put the value of A and B. That is 3 by 5 the power 4 by 1 to the power 4. Clear? So again see, 1 no use of this. We will go with the same. 3 by 5, 4, 4 multiply and it is equals to 16. So your answer is 3 by 5 to the power 16. Clear this one? In these type of questions, laws of exponents will be very useful to make your calculation smaller. Now S2, y equals to 2 by 3 the power 4 divide by 4 by 6 the power 3 multiply 3 by 4. And we have to find the value of y plus 2 is what? So firstly we will solve the part of y. We can write it like this. Firstly see, according to the board mass, what comes first? Division. So we will divide it. This is 2 by 3 the power 4 divide by, this can be written as 2 by 6 as it is, the power 3. Multiply 3 by 4. Now you will divide with this. See, we will separate it. 2 the power 4, 3 the power 4, divide by 3 2s are 6, 2 the power 6 and 6 the power 3. Solve it. So this 2 the power 3 the power 4, this 2 by 6 will remain here and this 6 to the power 3 will go up. Clear? ये ऊपर चला जाएगा. आप a by b की फॉर्म में जब आप इनको लिखोगे, this will be the numerator and it will come denominator. So 2 by 6 will remain here and 6 by 3 go up. Now 3 by 4. So we can write the complete one as 6 to the power 3 multiply 3 by 3 to the power 4 to the power 6. This can also I will write like this to the power 2. 4 को भी हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Now see this one. 6 को आप ब्रेक करो. 2 the power 3 multiply 3 the power 3. 2 3s are 6 की power 3. Again multiply 3 the power 1. Same this is. See, ये बहुत टिपिकल है बच्चे, यहाँ से आपकी वैल्यूज़ फाइंड होंगी. Now check. 2 base same powers add 2 to the power 7. 4 plus 3 7. Multiply 3 the power 4. Divide by 3 the power 4. Multiply 6 plus 2 8. This cut by this cut by this. Here it is y equals to 1 by 2. How it comes? Just see once again. आपको पावर्स में गिवन था, हमने पावर्स को सेपरेट किया. दिस 4 आई राइट डाउन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 2. 2 2s are 4. सो 2 की पावर 2 इक्वल्स टू 4. नाउ पावर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करो. 2 की पावर 6 मल्टीप्लाई 3 बाई 4 एज इट इज़. यहाँ पे पावर्स को सेपरेट किया. 6 की पावर 3. नाउ 2 दी पावर 4 मल्टीप्लाई, ये ऊपर आ जाएगा आपका. दिस विल कम डाउन व्हेन यू राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a डिवाइड बाई b को आप इस फॉर्म में लिखोगे a बाई b की में. क्लियर? नाउ आई जॉइन दिस 6 आई कैन राइट 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3. जो 6 की पावर है वो आपका कंप्लीट 3 की पावर आ जाएगी. 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3 दी पावर 3. दिस 4 आई कैन ऑल्सो राइट हेयर 2 दी पावर 2. नाउ पावर्स ऐड करो एंड योर आंसर इज 1 बाई 2. Now you will find the value of y plus 2 by putting the value of y is 1 by 2. Clear this question? Very easy one. Now the S3. By what number should we multiply to get the product 15? So firstly we will take the number bx. 1 by 5 to the power 3 को x से मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो योर नंबर विल बी, प्रोडक्ट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 15. राइट डाउन द पावर सेपरेटली. इक्वल्स टू 15. टेक दिस 1 by 5, 1 by 3, it means 1 by 5 to the power 3 this side. Here it is in multiplication, this side it will come in division. सो डिवीज़न में जब आप इसको लिखोगे यहाँ पे 1, ये 5 टू द पावर 3 कम अप. राइट? 15 को यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस 5 मल्टीप्लाई 3. अगेन मल्टीप्लाई 5 टू द पावर 3. सो अगेन इट बिकम्स 5 to the power 4 multiply with 3 and that is equals to x. So if you multiply with this number 5 to the power 4 multiply with 3, then the answer will be equals to 15. Clear? Now S4, that is also like this, dividing to get the quotient. Here you have to divide. So this question you will do yourself. S5, rewrite the expressions as a single positive exponent using laws of exponents. So this question is 5 to the power 2 multiply bracket 5 to the power 3 divide by 5 to the power 4 multiply 5 to the power 2 the power 2 and the whole the power 4. Again we will solve it. Firstly we will solve the small bracket, this one. See here one bracket is missing, don't use this bracket. Multiply, see 5 the power 3 और डिवीज़न में आपकी 4 है. So base is same, powers are different. So your answer is 5 to the power minus 1. Multiply 5 to the power 2, the whole power 2, brackets, complete power 4. 5 to the power 2, multiply, powers को करो आप, 5 to the power minus 2, multiply 5 to the power 4. Again here 4 कम, ये नेगेटिव में है, लीव दिस पावर, पावर्स को यहाँ ऐड करो आप. 5 to the power 6 multiply 5 to the power minus 2. इट मीन्स ये जो है आपका ये 1/5 की फॉर्म में है, 1/5 की पावर 2. अगेन 4. सो व्हेन वी विल ऐड इट 6 प्लस माइनस 2, तो ये क्या आएगा आपका 4. सो दिस इज 5 to the power 4 complete the power 4 and it is equals to 4 4s are 16, 5 to the power 16. Now clear? 5 to the power 16. Now the S6, that is simplify and find the value. So this question also, how you will do it? Big bracket, then small one, then smaller. 729 to smaller bracket 3, big bracket 4. Powers 729, 2 multiply 3 multiply 4. Simplify and write down the answer here. Clear students? So this is about your exercise 14.4. If anyone have any problem regarding this exercise, you can comment and ask.